Today we've run for the 5th year in a row the Great Cass Bake-Off, which is a role play that we developed here at Cass to test the ability of the students to engage with key concepts and practices of strategy, organizational behavior and leadership. They are challenged to make a cake with limited resources, limited time and limited understanding how to bake a cake, since they're not given an instruction. So they have to find alternative ways to prepare the ingredients, to prepare the batter, and to instruct the chef that will eventually prepare the cake for the final show and the finals.
It's been exciting to see exactly how the MBA students of Cass can actually cook a cake and actually not make a mess of it. That was fantastic to see.
I'd say today went well overall. It was a bit nerve-wracking at the beginning. We didn't have any experienced bakers on the team, so it was working out what we needed to do, what ingredients we had, what actually went into a cake, but we figured it out.
We went for a winter fruit cake.
Well, we made a chocolate cake.
So I'm confident it's going to be seen as the best cake by the panel.
I think today's event is really inspiring and can collaborate with each other with my group mate, so we can learn how to work together and we'll try to build a good cake.
And it batter tasted good in the end. Didn't taste so good in the middle, but it tasted good in the end.